So, good morning class. I'm teacher Giselle, and today, before we start the class, can someone lead the prayer? Thank you. Okay. Today, before I start the class, um, I am teacher Giselle once again. Good morning class, and today I will gonna discuss the opposite words. So before that, um, can someone define it to me? What is an opposite words or opposite? Very good. Okay. Opposite, it is a reverse or in an alternative describing something or one thing. Mm. And it is called also, it is also called, okay, it is also called antonisms. Okay, so class, I have something, examples here. It is an examples of alternative. Here, this is color black, white, color white, sorry. This is color white, and this is a color black. This one is an example of an opposite words or opposite things because this is white and black. They're not same, so they called an opposite. Okay, if one thing is not the same, it is called a opposite or antonyms. Now you can define you all define it to me if it is a opposite or not. Is this an opposite? Yes. Why? Okay. Because this arrow is pointing up. But this arrow is pointing down. So, they are called an opposite. They are an opposite in their directions. Okay? The one is going up, and also the other one is going down. Good. Now that you know what is an opposite words or an opposite of one thing, I have here fruits. Okay, pictures of fruit, and you can define it to me if it is an opposite or not. Is this an opposite? Maybe the colors. Okay, the color is opposite. Okay, but I am asking the fruit. Is this an opposite? The fruit. Look at the fruit. Is it opposite? No, because it is same. What fruit is this? Very good. It is a pineapple fruit. Now that you know what is an opposite or not or same, diba? Ganon. So now that you know it is, we have a activity. So put up, it is an opposite, and put down if it is not. Okay? So, I'm gonna show something here. Example. Okay. I have an example here. this is the scissor. And also, this one is an example of what? Is this a example of opposite? Good or bad? Good, very good. How about wait. How about this one? Okay. This. Is this an opposite words or opposite? No, but cause this is same color black. Good. Now that you know what is an opposite, teacher will give you an activity. This. And you will gonna answer it and pass it to me. Okay? Very good. Okay, some of you got the highest score, but the other, or I just say 4 out of 20 classes, 20 of you got a failed score, but it's okay. Better luck next time. And that is for today's discussion. I hope you understand. I hope you learn from our lessons. So, bye. See you in another day. Bye, class.